Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, Yoda Doug here with the tool organizing tip. And what it is this is a organizer you can pick up from Harbor Freight. It's about $5 and change when you use a 20% off coupon. Item number is 99730. And this thing is pretty sweet. What I did with it is I cut it down the middle here with the razor knife, and I used a file and filed it, so made it nice and flush. And after that, I stuck it one in here. And I put these items in that one. And then there's my other one here. And so I bought another one today. And I think I'm going to split it that way and that way. And just use those small trays. And it can either go in the front or in the back. And you can set it up however you like. It's pretty sweet. I got another thing I want to show you guys. This is from Home Depot, made by Makita, and it's a 3/8 bit driver deal. It's a wobbling head. Put your sockets in there, and it was under $4 at my local Home Depot. And this thing is made in Japan. I believe Vessel, the same maker of the screwdrivers, they are the makers, and Makita rebranded it. And I was also checking out the other bits that they have that are gold, and those are made in China, I believe, where this is the only thing that's made in Japan. So these are the best Skittles ever. That's that. Over and out. Likes, subs, comments, deuces.